guys, welcome back to Zik the Programming Guide channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to call a person with voice commands. So first thing you have to do is go to your Play Store and you're going to actually install the Google Assistant. Click on that, open, and you can see it right here. You can click on more, unlock more assistant features by clicking on get started. So once you click on open Gmail, open Gmail, you can see it actually opened my Gmail. So I'm going to try another one. Hey Google, oh, call love of my life. Call love of my life. So it actually says pick a contact. Oh my god. But you should be able to actually tell it, instruct it to, and it is not found. Call my forever. Give a thumbs up and equally subscribe to get more tips like this. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.